Ever run apt upgrade and still gotten outdated packages? Here's what you're missing. When you run apt update, Linux reaches out to your configured software repositories and downloads a fresh list of all available packages along with their latest version numbers. Think of it like refreshing the menu at a restaurant. You're not ordering anything yet, you're simply getting the most up-to-date list of options. Here's the critical part that trips up beginners. Apt update does not install, upgrade, or change a single package on your system. 0 packages are modified. It only updates the local database of what's available. To actually get updates onto your machine, you need to run apt upgrade separately. Apt update knows where to look because of a configuration file at /etc/apt/sources.list, along with any files in the sources.list.d directory. These define your repositories: Ubuntu's official servers, security feeds, and any third-party sources you've added. Best practice: always run apt update before apt upgrade or apt install. Without it, you might install an outdated package version or miss a critical security patch. Make it a habit. Update first, then upgrade or install. Apt update syncs your package index from repositories without touching your system. Always run it before installing or upgrading. Follow for more Linux essentials. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.